Lovelies, thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I will show you how to make this simple and easy to wear braided ponytail for both adults and kids. The materials I used in this video are elastic ropes, the Mannequin, hairpins, and Kanekalon braiding hair. The first thing to do is to prepare your braiding hair like I have done. You can choose to do whatever size of braids you want. You can do medium, you can do large, or you can do small. For mine, I've chosen to do a medium size braid. Next, place the elastic ropes on the mannequin using the hairpins. Place the braiding hair through the loop of the elastic rope. Separate the hair into 3 strands and braid by interlocking the 3 strands into one another. I'm going to repeat the braiding until I have covered the whole extent of the rope. After your braiding is complete, go ahead to trim the braids. I went ahead to make a second one off camera as this will be needed to achieve a full density ponytail. Apply hair mousse to smoothen out the braids. Here is how to install the ponytail. The first thing to do is to place the ponytail over the hair bun, twist the rope and wrap around the bun. The goal is to conceal the hair bun using the ponytail, so try to adjust until the hair bun is fully concealed. You can also try taking some of the braids and wrapping around the base of the ponytail like I am doing. You can decide to make up to 3 or more ponytails to achieve a full volume. I hope this video has been of help to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next.